Welcome to this tutorial on the eel sampling network. This sampling database gathers all the information collected during the monitoring of the pilot basins, which are recruitment, escapement and age of eels. You can access to the eel sampling network by clicking on the logo right here. You can download the different protocol used to sample eels clicking on the green link named Common Protocols. To use the tool, go on Sampling. A drop-down list allows to choose between the three different views of sampling. Click on one of them and then on Update View button. The map updates. Click on the colored button, which are stations, to find the sampling network information. If you scroll down, you see a summary table of all the basins that have been analyzed, and the corresponding information. As an example, if you want to have information about the yellow silver eels, choose Abundance of Yellow Silver Eels on the drop-down menu. Click on Update View and zoom on the basin that you are interested in. Click on the basin. You can see right here the table that gathers all the data concerning the frequency on the yellow and silver eels. And right here are general information of the basin. On the top of the table, you'll find all the information about the length of the eel, and right below, about the weight. The summary table that is below the map also update. Do it again from the sampling drop-down list to update with a sampling view and information corresponding that you are looking for.